Hi, welcome back to my channel, Sunshine Acupuncture, where we discuss acupuncture related topics. So today I want to talk about infertility, and particularly IVF and IUI support, and how acupuncture can increase your success rate with IVF and IUI procedures. So if you are dealing with infertility and you have decided to do IVF for whatever reason, I would suggest that you start acupuncture 2 months before your procedure starts. So that way it gives you enough time to prep your body and have it ready for the procedure. What I mean by that is that acupuncture can just help you with your cycles, increase your egg quantity and quality, especially if you're going to do IVF. They are going to retrieve your eggs and etc. So acupuncture can increase your egg quality and quantity. And also I'm going to give you a list of nutritional guideline, like foods that are beneficial for you to eat during this time to kind of again prep your body and get it ready for for the procedure, and that you'll most likely succeed. A lot of people aren't aware of some of these, like, I guess, insights or tips, I would say, because they think that they could just go in and do IVF or IUI, but like I said, it's not always guaranteed that you will be pregnant or even stay pregnant. So I have had a lot of patients in the past 3 years that have dealt with these issues, so I know exactly what the timeline should look like, and what you should what advice you should be given, and how you should feel emotionally, and how and all of those things play into your success. If you are too nervous and all of those things, or if you're too stressed out at work, I mean, they're not going to increase your chances. And the procedure itself is already like between $10,000 to $20,000 per one round of IVF. So if you want increase that success rate, meaning that the first time you try IVF you are pregnant and you're able to carry the baby to full term, that makes it easier for you in your bank account, versus if you have to do a few rounds of IVF, which I've had patients do 2 failed IVFs and then they're on their third. So you want to prevent that. You don't want to be in this situation. So I think the tips that I gave you, the acupuncture itself, the advice, the nutritional guidelines, and then I'm also going to probably give you, if you need it, depending, herbal supplements and other kind of health supplements. So it's very highly recommended that you get acupuncture. I would say minimum of 2 months, because 1 month is not enough time. So I would say minimum 2 months. If you could do longer, that's even better. Or if you want to try the natural way of getting pregnant with the help of acupuncture, you could certainly try it as well, because I have had patients who are successful in getting pregnant just coming to acupuncture. But if you're doing IVF or IUI already, then you could just come 2 months before the procedure starts and then get yourself ready, get your body ready. So I hope this is informative, or it's if you do have further questions, you could leave them down in the comments, or you could email me. I'm gonna link all my websites and everything, so you can find a way to contact me, and then I'll see if I could give you further advice. But the benefits of acupuncture with IVF and IUI is huge. It really helps you. Some fertility clinics now even have their own staff, acupuncture on site. There is what I know, like a protocol of before the transfer and after the transfer. I would say that's just not enough. So I would say like 2 months before you actually even start the process is probably best. But when you are going through the procedure and you are getting the hormones or doing the retrieval, transfer, etc., you should still continue to see your acupuncturist, and that's gonna, help you, just help you with everything, and so until you are confirmed you're pregnant, at that point, it's up to you if you want to continue. But a lot of my patients do still continue until they're safe, which is pretty much 12 weeks. So that gives you like, because the first 3 months is very risky as well. And a lot of my patients are also, I would say, not at their prime age, so they don't want to risk a miscarriage or anything like that. So getting acupuncture is definitely a good way to ensure you keep your pregnancy. So I hope this is informative. Like I said, if you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment, or just email me, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and be well. Thanks. Bye.